Hey everyone, welcome back. Abby here. In today's video, what I'll be doing is to basically go around Makati and just the area that I live in, and what I'll be doing is to look for all of the street foods that I can find. And over my years of living in the Philippines, I can say I've only tried like 1 or 2 street foods, and that has just been it. But today this vlog will be me buying all of the street food that I can find, and I'll be trying it. And also, it's morning here in Makati and I've not had breakfast yet, so all of this food that I'll be coming across will be just what I'll be eating for the day. I'll be sharing this with you guys for you to see what my opinions are about all of these particular foods, the one that I like and the ones that I dislike. So that is what this vlog would be about. If you're new to my channel, my name is Abby and this is waka-waka. I make vlogs about living here in the Philippines and sewing tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content that I create. Now let's go. Hi Kuya, I'm going to try some street food. What should I try?
Street food?
Yeah.
Barbecue.
Barbecue?
Yeah,
intestine?
Yeah.
Fish ball.
Fish balls.
Yeah.
What else?
You can try the coconut.
Coconut?
Coconut drink.
Which one is your favorite?
Fish ball, man.
Fish ball. Yeah, okay.
Many people
Like fish balls.
yeah,
Okay.
like fish ball.
Pork menudo, pork adobo,
Okay.
pork ninaga, vegetable, sapchoy, and pakbak.
How much is it?
10 pesos each.
Can I have one?
Yes.
He's offering me rice. How much?
70.
Oh,
70.
70 altogether. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.
So I just got my first street food, but I can see another stand just ahead of me. I don't know what they have, but once I get there, you guys are gonna see that too. And it's still raining. What is this?
Hupya. Yan, hupyang hapon. Baboy.
This one is.
This one is puto seco.
How much is this?
Only 25 pesos.
25.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Is it okay if I record?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You eat, ma'am?
Yeah, I want to buy food. This one is what?
Scroted.
How much is
12 pesos each.
12 pesos?
Yeah.
Give me 2 of this one.
Check out, ma'am.
Take out, yes. Oh my god, guys, this is a lot of food.
30.
Oh my god. I am in this food stand and they just have like varieties of different food. Fried tilapia. Then this one is what?
Cheese steak.
2 of this.
Turon, banana wrapper.
Is it ready?
Not yet cooked, ma'am.
Okay, can I have 1 of this?
Okay.
Yeah, this one is.
Pork caldereta.
What do I eat it with?
I with carrots, big chips, ma'am.
Oh,
Spicy.
okay. Spicy. I want spicy. Yeah.
Only one, ma'am.
Yeah, 1. So I just got like a load of food from like this food stand. I just cannot wait to get home to actually try all of it. One coconut.
One.
Yeah. Where is the fish balls guy? The fish ball guy.
No.
No fish balls today. So I am back from my food shopping. These are the things that I got. I had some difficulties along the way, it was raining, and before I left the house it wasn't raining, and I didn't even think of going along with an umbrella. So most of like the street food vendors were not around. There's also something I noticed in all of the 3 places that I bought food. I noticed that all of the food are being served in plastic. And then for the final place, I actually got coconut. The coconut water also came in plastic. So this is like one thing that is uniform amongst all of the sellers. 2 snacks like that. Leave a comment in the section below to actually tell me the stuff that I got. Alright, where do we start? I think I'm gonna start with the caldereta. It has chicken in it. I'm gonna just mix it up with the rice. I'm really hungry. Wow. Okay. This is what made me choose the caldereta. Was I recall the guy telling me it's actually spicy, and I was like, spicy? Yeah, sign me up. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on top here so you guys can see me eat it. I'm trying to like use my hand. Wow. It's starting to rain again. I actually enjoy spicy food, but my ears are ringing from the spiciness. In total, I spent around 300 pesos. I'm actually out of rice, like just gonna take one more piece of this, and I'm gonna save that sauce for later. This is gonna be my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner. I ate half of the fish already. There's a piece of carrot. Set this aside for now. So now let's talk about the elephant in the room, this guys. Okay, the first one, I got 2 of this like that. See, I'm gonna eat one now and then leave one for later on. All of this is actually fried. Oh, there's lots of oil. I'm just gonna break it open in the middle. Oh my god, it has sprouted beans in it. The second one is this one, and it's like this long one. Cheese steak. I remember this one. We also sprinkled spice on top of it. I'm just gonna break it open in the middle. Ah! Ah! Oh my teeth. Like this is my stomach. It's like it's a lot of food. Just once. Pum, 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 pum. Let's find out what it is. Yeah, it's like tiny slim sausage. It's really filling. It's not sausage, it's like meat or fish, like grinded in between it. Coconut water. This one's. There's banana in between this. This dough is wrapped in banana. This is good. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I cannot finish this. It's just too much. All of this, I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and later on this evening, I'll be finishing all of them. This will be my dinner. I still have this peanuts. This one and this one. for my next vlog, there's gonna be a part 2 of this because this is not all of the food that are available on the streets. So what next is I want you guys to suggest what are the street food you'd like me to try. So guys, this is the end of this vlog. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. This is one of my favorites. This one.